Question number 2. Arrange the following in ascending order and we have given 3 numbers. Okay. We will start with given. Under given it will come 17 upon 12, then 11 upon 18 and 5 upon 8. Okay. To find what we have been asked to find, ascending order. Okay, so what we can see here, we have given 3 fractions and we have to arrange it in ascending order. Whenever we have given fractions, first what we have to do, we have to do this base as common, means denominator we have to make it common. So what we will do, we will write here solution. Solution, what will, in first step what we will write, we will write the numbers as it is, 17 upon 12, then 11 upon 18, then 5 upon 8. Okay, so first we have to find out LCM, so we will find the LCM first. Here we will write 12, 18 and 8. Okay, we will divide it by 2. So here it will come 6, 9, 4. Again we will divide it by 2. So it will be 3, 9 will come as it is, and here 2. Again we will divide it by 2. So 3 we cannot divide, so 3 will be as it is. 9 we cannot divide, so 9 will be as it is. 2 ones are 2, so here it will come 1. So now we will divide it by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and 1, for 1 it will come as it is 1. Again we will divide it by 3. For 1 it will be 1, 3 ones are 3, so here it will be 1, and for 1 again it will be 1. Okay, so we have found that these are the factors of 12, 18 and 8. To find LCM, what we have to do, we have to multiply all these factors. So we can write here like 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here we can write LCM is equal to, here we will multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are 72. So our LCM will be 72. Okay, now we have to multiply the denominator in such a way that the multiplication will get the answer 72. Okay, so for this 12 6 are 72. So what we will do here, we will multiply by 6 to 17. So it will become 102 divided by 72. 18 4s are 72. So 4 into 11 will be 44 upon 72. 8 9s are 72. So 9 into 5 is equal to 45 upon 72. Okay, so now as the bases are clear, we can identify which number is smaller and which one is greater. For ascending order, we have to write smaller number first, then the greater number. So here for 17 upon 2 we have written 102 upon 72. For 11 upon 18 we have written 44 upon 72, and for 5 by 8 we have written 45 upon 72. So the less number is 44 upon 72, this will be the first. Then 45 upon 72 will be second, and then 102 upon 72 will be third, right? So the ascending order will be like 44 upon 72, then 45 upon 72, thereafter 102 upon 72 is equal to, we can write 11 upon 18, then 5 upon 8, and lastly 17 upon 12. Okay, so this will be our answer. Okay.